Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we will guide you how to turn off audio description step by step in detail. Before we begin our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Step 2. Once the Control Panel opens, you'll see a variety of settings. Click on Ease of Access. Step 3. Next, click on the Ease of Access Center option. Step 4. In the Explore All Settings section, click on Use the computer without a display. Step 5. Now, under the Hear Text Read Aloud section, you'll find the option Turn on Audio Description. To turn it off, simply click on the blue switch, and at the bottom of the control panel, click on Apply to save the changes. The audio description will now be turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.